Fuck, there's a lot of commotion happening in the A this fucking couple of weeks. I went to town the other day. House was on fire.
Ow, fuck!
The house, what happened?
Fuck, that fucking hurt, mate.
I didn't feel well.
Fuck that, hit me in the head.
Yeah, you don't need it on that side.